Hello everyone, it's OA and today we're gonna talk about how to set up sidechain. You are a producer. You have a bass and a kick and you want your bass to be decreased whenever the kick hits. Or you are a podcaster. Whenever you start talking, you want the music decreased as it is now. So sidechain is an effect that you have on one sound that is triggered by the level of another sound. That means it's a way to set up your mix that when one sound comes in, the other one quiets down. Here's a little example. You got one bass and one kick track. First, route the kick to another channel, let's say bus 20. Then add a compressor to the bass. Make the necessary adjustments. Activate the sidechain pot by clicking the key button. Select the bus 20 to which you routed the kick channel from the key input option. And here is the result. For more tips and tricks, follow me. It's OA and have a happy day.